The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Weber County in Utah, Davis County in Utah, Salt Lake County in Utah, Towle County in Utah, Box Elder County in Utah till 12:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 11 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, National Weather Service storm chasers and storm spotters were observing an extremely dangerous severe thunderstorm moving from eastern Nevada 5 miles east of Wendover, moving east at 10 miles per hour. 110-mile-an-hour wind gust and baseball-sized hail was reported with this storm. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Catastrophic damage to mobile homes are possible. Roof shingles will tear off, trees will be uprooted, big objects will slam into buildings. The storm will be near Wendover by 11:05 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Towle by 11:15 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Provo by 11:20 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Salt Lake City, West Valley City, Taylorsville, South Salt Lake, North Salt Lake by 11:35 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Bountiful, Clearfield, Farmington, Layton, Roy, and Sunset by 11:45, and Ogden, North Ogden, and South Weber by 11:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. This is a dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Tornadoes may form within this storm. Make sure to move into a basement or an entire room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and cloud-to-ground lightning are possible. If you hear thunder, you're close enough to be struck by lightning. Remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. Utah, Salt Lake County in Utah, Towle County in Utah, Box Elder County in Utah till 12:30 p.m. Mountain. The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a tornado warning for southern Weber County in Utah, Davis County in Utah, Salt Lake County in Utah till 12:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 11:45 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar was indicating a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 5 miles east of Salt Lake City, moving north at 5 miles per hour. Rotation was reported to the National Weather Service by public Doppler radar and storm spotters. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without a shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles are likely. Tree damage is possible. This tornado will be near Salt Lake City by 11:50 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Clearfield, Roy, Layton, and Sunset by 12 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Ogden by 12:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Evacuate mobile homes and get inside a substantial shelter. The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a tornado warning for southern Weber County in Utah, Davis